What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, and I want to thank you guys so much for joining the community. We actually just now had a new community member join in, so thank you guys very much. And we've also got the homeboy Max in here right now. We're just doing our live trading and just talking out in general. So I think today we're going to go over some little patterns that we're seeing in this sideways range here. The fact that Max right now is in. Did you post that up, Max, that you're in that that trade from the top right here? Yeah, top right here, and then Max also shorted this all the way up here. So yeah, we're just having some fun. And in order to not be a copycat, I decided that I was gonna talk about something, but now I'm not gonna do it because of my boy Kevin. Thank you, Kevin. So yeah, so if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Join the community. I've got some information down below. You guys can sign up to bybit, all that fun stuff. Anyways, let's begin. So one of the things that I was going to talk about that I saw on Coins Kids YouTube channel is he was talking about he was trying to classify this as a head and shoulders, and it's, I mean, maybe you could try your best to get away with that, and you could say something like this. I'm not going to sit up here and say he's wrong, because if price comes down to here, well, then he's not wrong. Right? So then this is breakout trader territory, and I definitely am not a breakout trader. It's not good, because if you spot that, then you could also say, well, we have a head and shoulders right here. One, we have this head and shoulders, and then we broke up. So if you try to play these patterns, you could end up getting wrecked a lot. So it's probably not the best idea, especially when the RSI momentum is to the upside. But what we did have here right now playing out is we had this nice sexy broadening wedge, and we are breaking to the downside. We are being supported by the daily VWAP. And if you guys don't know what that is, well, I can show you guys. I have a course that I just recently put together, and it's up for sale if you guys would like access to that. It is this course right here. It does go over parallel channels, RSI, fibs, pitchforks, aggregate trader, VWAP, all that fun stuff, point of control. So check that out. Message me on Discord if you'd like that. But yeah, for the most part, we're just ranging. I remember me and Max also both shorted this area right up here, and the reason why we shorted that, let's see the wins. Yeah, here's mine. So the reason why I shorted this up here is because we had the swing failure pattern of this high. So if you don't understand what swing failure pattern is, I do go over that right here in the thingy. So in order to get access to that, you have to sign up to Bybit using my information down below, and then you can also message me and say, hey, I'm interested in the program. But you can just sign up to Bybit if you want to support. But anyways, yeah, so we shorted that because of the swing failure pattern of those highs. I ended up taking profit. My first profit was like right around here. I just took profit pretty fast because this was, or not, that was the wrong one. This was actually the right one that I was showing. I took profit pretty fast because, it did look like there was some movement to the upside, but then obviously we ended up coming back down. And then I ended up fully taking all of my profit all the way down here. I think if I would have had my take profit like $5 lower, I would have missed this take profit. So I took profit at so not only did I short the exact high, but I took profit at the exact low. And I think, did you post up your screenshot like this somewhere? I could have oh, you put it on the snipers. Yeah. So this is our sniper entry right here from today that Max took. So congratulations to Max for being on top of that. I think that's right around here. So good job, Max. Yeah. Huh. Well, I just realized that in this video, nobody's going to really be able to hear you because for some reason my audio settings aren't set up to capture you. So let's see. Oh, there we go. I just turned it on. Well, yeah, so Max was just saying that Max was saying something, but in this, for the sake of this video, we're gonna move on. So for all of this, where could we be headed next? Well, I like to kind of, for the people that want to help support the channel, I like to keep that for these ideas. So these are my Neo's idea section. This is where people can see my ideas if they sign up using my bybit information down below. And so you can see here I have these ideas showing up. Sometimes they can net you like 1% in fake dollars because none of this is financial advice, or sometimes they can net you 50%. So you just got to make sure that you're a part of that. It costs you nothing to sign up, so go ahead and do that down below and then let me know when you did. Other than that, we are basically just sitting kind of right below the middle of the range right now. If we pull this, yeah, so you see the previous day VWAP coming in, lining up with the point of control, and we have the value area low coming in at 33,130. So, and we have the value area high coming in at 33,655. So we could just probably end up going sideways for a little while, especially since it's Friday too, and then everybody's probably going to be celebrating the 4th of July in America. So Bitcoin's probably just going to go sideways. Probably. I mean, obviously you could do anything crazy, but for right now, it's just nothing but scalp trades. That's what we're kind of doing here. It's just scalp trading this. But like I said, I do have these ideas that I've posted in my Neo's ideas section. And what? Oh yeah, there was something else here. Yeah, I have these. This one seems to be playing out so far. This idea right here that I kind of gave. I think that's kind of playing out, so that's pretty good. Other than that, I think Max, you said that you wanted to go over your Wyckoff or Elliott waves because they can hear you now. I changed the speaker setup.
Okay. Yeah.
Just
Wait
let
a
me know when you're ready, and
second.
I
I need
will do this. And yeah, so like I was
I
saying,
need to
down.
clean up my charts a little bit.
Yeah, while he's doing that, down below the video, you guys will see that there is. Let's see here. Let's see here. There's some links that you guys can check out. The first one's going to be the Discord, so make sure you guys check that out. The second one is going to be the link to my Bybit. You guys can also check that out. It's going to be down here. And then the third one is going to be any questions about signing up to Bybit. And then here's a free playlist for beginners. Here's my altcoin channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to that and all that fun stuff. So Max, you can just let me know whenever you're ready, if you're ready, when you're ready, how you're ready.
Yeah, still, yeah, now.
Okay, so
So,
let me pull you up here real quick. Da, da, da. Then go here, then go to max, then go to watch the stream, then go to full stream. There you go. Go ahead. Oh goodness.
wait, I need to hide that one. So we had our impulse wave up to the high
You have
and
your
to the area,
ABC.
yeah, where we wanted to. Now the ABC correction is basically now completed to the dollar where I put it, where we were here
Is
or
there any way you
here,
can
something like
change
that.
the colors of some of these instead of making them all blue? Because they're hard to
Mm,
see.
I could, but
Well,
yeah,
yeah, I guess we could do it
we
later.
had the complete. So we had the Elliott wave stuff going on. So on
Yeah.
the highs, so we hit the 1-to-1 from here to here. So if we pull the
So two,
fib
three,
like,
four.
yeah, oh, wrong. That's the time.
There you go.
From here to here to here. So we hit the 1-to-1.
Oh
And
my
one
god,
could see,
exactly.
okay, the Elliott wave count is now completed. And we already hit an order block that I have marked and the golden pocket and whatever not. And we had our nice Wyckoff distribution on the top. So at this point, at this high, I was looking for, yeah, that it looks like a distribution is going on. So I tried to short that one, took profit, got stopped out, and then I shorted that one again because yeah, it looks like a distribution is going on, and then we have here basically the U-turn of this Wyckoff, and here is the test. So nice. It the test was successful. It rejected, and from there on, yeah, down to the target. and then into on the ABC correction wave. So we could have known that the A wave will end somewhere between this area. So that's why I looked for a long here and closed the short. And I'm not sure if I shorted it here also, but here was also again Wyckoff distribution going on. Here the U-turn, here the test, and then take off to the other side of the moon. And now
Let's guess.
here the and now here the accumulation going on. So we have here the ST. Now our so here our spring into the zone where I wanted to long. Where's my green box?
Didn't you long that? I
I
could have sworn you longed that.
I longed it here already because
Yeah.
and I'm still in this trade, but I was sleeping where it hit it to the dollar, my green box that I posted yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
So and it's basically the spring of this Wyckoff. Here is the test, and now it looks like we are attempting to go higher here, but it feels so weak, so I don't really know. I mean, I took profit on the long, and now I try to short it rather. And on the highs here, so the distribution is going on and went here in the accumulation is going on and went here into a distribution. So that's the U-turn here, that's the test, and then from there on the markdown, and let's see if it holds again. But yeah, with the Wyckoff stuff and Elliott wave together with the horizontal levels, it's pretty nice to trade, I would say.
Yeah, I think you did a pretty good job so far with that. I would have some different opinions on the, the fours and the twos and the different corrections or whatever. But at the end of the day, it's like, to be honest, who gives a shit really? It's a correction is a correction. However you count it is whatever. Um, but yeah, I think that we've overall done a pretty decent job of what the fuck is that? We've done a pretty decent job of trading this so far. And like I said, we do have our targets to the downside. We do have our targets to the upside, like I said. But for right now, until we start to break above, let's say 34,150 or break down below 32,250, I'm not really necessarily interested in any day trades or swing trades necessarily. Just right now, it's just kind of scalping because, again, we could easily just come down, swing failure these lows like this, pop right back up, or come up here, swing failure these highs, and come back down. I'd say that those areas are probably the areas like that we need to be looking for. So yeah, I think that's about it for the update on Bitcoin. I'm about to do a couple of other videos and post those up to my altcoin channel, so make sure you guys are following there. And other than that, I'm done.